Hey gang, welcome back to Sweet Willy's Kitchen. It has been far too long that I've put anything up there for you to see, and I hope everybody's doing well. And basically that, I missed you guys. So what happened was I had gotten approached by this company, Rovsun, to do a video of one of their products. And they sent me the link, and Rovsun is a home appliance company. A lot of different things. When they sent me the link to the website, and I'll put it down below, they had washers, dryers, home appliances, kitchen appliances, a lot of cool stuff, a lot of really cool stuff. And again, they gave me the choice of, pick it whatever you want. So I'll show you what we're going to do that in a minute. But one of the things that we wanted to talk about is the purpose of Rovsun was to create products or bring products to the marketplace that simply improve quality of life. Many of the things that I saw were simple designs, not too fancy, just there to do the job in a simple format, and in ways, that's a good way to improve the quality of life. So, of the things that I chose, they said, well, what's coming up soon is tailgate season, right? We've got the football, the pro football, the college, maybe some last minute camping, and they did a propane gas grill. I said, that's great. And so I chose one of those. So what is down below this box, this was the box that this shipped in. So it was a big box. And right down below is a stainless steel 20,000 BTU propane gas grill. I figured, okay, maybe it was one of those tabletop deals and I can, put one of those little camping propane. This thing uses the big one. So really good stuff. So again, rather than wrestle around with the box, I took it out of the box, but I want to show you the size of the box. This is what it shipped in, and everything is packed nicely in the styrofoam. And to me, it looks like everything is all, here's our instructions, but everything is all wrapped up in the styrofoam. We got one piece here, and like I said, it's all stainless steel. The connection for the gas tank is already here. We'll undo this, and we'll do a little fast speed here. Okay, it's out of the plastic, so this is what we've got here. We've got the stainless steel setup here. It's got a locking clips on the side here. And what I thought I was going to be having to put this thing together. Oh, no. The legs are on hinges, and they just flip out like so. Pretty heavy. And there we go. So, it's on that. It's got the hinge. And let's open this up here. More packaging to keep this safe. Stainless steel grate. Tell you, it's a good piece of goods here. And we got the stainless steel gas burner. So this is all stainless steel. And that is the setup. So here's the drip pan, and this slides under here. Here are our flame guards, and that's it, all done. It's all put together, and it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna cover it. I'm gonna put the lid on here. Like I said, these are the locks thing, so when it's doing any traveling. And here's your connector. When we return, we will we'll give a demonstration. I think we'll cook a couple burgers. What do you say? We'll see you in a few. Okay, gang, so here we go. We're outside here. We have our small little deck here, and there's the Rovsun grill. Okay, as you can see, we've got the two burners, and this is the defector plate and also the top grill. So again, everything's ready to go on this. The heat is off, so it's safe to operate. So they just slide here, and the other one goes on like so. So there's the ridges that go in there, so it slides in. And here's our stainless steel grate. It goes on top. Slides on, and it's ready to go. Now on each side are the holes for the igniter, so we will be using one of these safety lighters to light these. These are the controls. Essentially, we're going to put the gas on, put the light source, put the flame on, and then turn this, and there's as you can hear that's the igniter, and then we adjust the heat, and this turns it off. So let's get that going. Let's get a shot of those here. Okay, so that's the story. So here we go. We've got the hose all set up like so. So we got the hose set up. There's our tank. You want to keep it relatively close, and all we're doing is, it says a swivel like everyone else's, like all your other regular gas grills. So there you would go. Everything turns clockwise like so, as you can see, and we turn our gas by turning the handle counterclockwise. So right now we've got gas to the grill, and we're going to light up the grill. So there we go. And then alright, now it's broad daylight, but I'm putting my hand on there and we've got heat coming out. Let's do the other side. So I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to wait to see how long it'll take to get up to the 400 degrees. And then we're going to cook some hamburgers. Okay, so it took about 15 minutes for the grill to get up to 350, which is a nice temperature. And we're going to put these beautiful hamburgers on the grill. You can see we have the heat. I'm going to put these right on here. And just like the first video that we ever made on any hamburgers on Sweet Willy's Kitchen, we're going to go with 5 minutes aside. We're going to put this down, and in 5 minutes, we're going to flip. Okay, 5 minutes have passed. Another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes have passed up, and we are ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to turn the gas off, turn the heat source off, make my burger. Now I am going to put mine on an English muffin. I like an English muffin. It's not too bready, and we'll let that burger sit. I'm going to make one for my neighbor Bob, because he's the one that lent me the tank. So there you have it, the Rovsun tabletop 20,000 BTU grill. Okay, want to thank the folks from Rovsun for sending me this to me. That is, just a couple warnings. You know, it's like anything. Make sure this is not used for indoors. This is an outdoor unit only. When you're using this, make sure you have plenty of space, ventilation, and the like, because there is heat. Okay, like any of the grills, it is heat. People will get burned. When you're putting away, make sure it's cool. Make sure you've given enough time to cool off before putting it back into storage. Make sure you're using a clear connection. Make sure you're Hoses are not brittle. Make sure those are safe. Make sure you're getting a good seal on that. So again, those are some of the warning signs, or the warnings, precautions for safe use. Again, I want to thank the folks from Rovsun. They are a company that make products to improve the quality of life. That's, from what I've seen, it is definitely a truth to that. So a great piece of goods. I'll put the links on to the website and to this grill in case there's an interest on it. But pound for pound, this is probably the best tabletop grill that I have ever used or ever reviewed. So with that being said, folks, I want to thank you for watching. You be real well, and you take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.